Hello. Today, we'd like to introduce the OneFit Abutment, a genuine custom abutment designed specifically for dental implants. The first benefit: customized aesthetic restorations. The OneFit Abutment enables the fabrication of patient-specific aesthetic restorations. It is precision machined using a large-scale CNC machine with an accuracy tolerance of just 0.01 mm, ensuring an exceptional fit exactly as designed, without even the slightest deviation. Some clinicians may say that non-genuine abutments also fit well. However, when examining a cross-section after installation, you can often see that they are not seated properly. Using a genuine abutment ensures precise engagement with the implant, helping reduce the risk of prosthetic failure. The second benefit: prevention of screw loosening and fracture. There are many factors that can lead to implant restoration failure, and among them, screw loosening and screw fracture are common causes. The OneFit abutment screw is specially manufactured from grade 5 titanium, a high-strength material that provides superior surface hardness compared to competitor screws. In addition, it offers better initial torque and fatigue loosening torque than conventional screws, significantly minimizing the risk of screw loosening. Another key advantage is the reduced risk of implant fracture. Testing has shown that using non-genuine abutments with our implant system increases the risk of implant fracture by 48% to 72%. By choosing a genuine OneFit abutment, you can help minimize the risk of unexpected implant prosthetic failures and provide greater long-term reliability for your patients. The third benefit: flexible ordering options. The OneFit Custom Abutment is designed to match each patient's unique oral anatomy. To achieve this, OneFit offers 3 subgingival profile designs: concave, straight, and convex, along with 3 margin height options, allowing clinicians to create a natural and aesthetic emergence profile. In addition, there are 2 color options available. Choosing the gold color option can provide an even more aesthetic restoration. When ordering a OneFit custom abutment, there are several submission methods available depending on your workflow. If you do not have an intraoral scanner, you can submit a conventional impression or a working model. If you do have an intraoral scanner, you can simply submit your digital scan file. For clinics or laboratories equipped with dental CAD software, you can design the abutment yourself and submit only the design file for fabrication. If you have your own milling machine, you can purchase a pre-milled abutment in the appropriate jig format for your milling system. This allows you to design, mill, and produce your own genuine custom abutment while maintaining the quality and compatibility of the original system. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention.